Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, Advanced Python modules. We'll know what are the advanced Python modules. Like random method is available built-in as well as advanced. Wherever you require to create some random number while developing a Python language program, you'll use straight away write random with the method parenthesis, you'll use the random method. It's a very simple. Similarly, date time. You want to declare a date time and extracting dates from this particular date time string, you will get it. Either you want to get year, or you want to get month, or you want to get day. Likewise, you can use to define date time method and get all the information from this string. Similarly, timing your code. Many of the language developers, like software engineers, they'll write the number of lines of code, but they don't know how it can be performed in real-time scenario as well as production servers. They want to know it, how it is going to be performing your code successfully. Based on that code only, the performance of the application, you will get more and more accurately the responsive time of your application will give as an output. You should know how to perform it by making a simply timeit. The ready-made functionality, the timeit code method is available in Python language. Making your code into the timeit and know your performance based on seconds, milliseconds, how your application is going to be performing, like that lines of code. And similarly, regular expression. It's very important to know all the persons where you are writing to developing your programming language or application forms. The regular expression will help you to most of the time how you are commonizing the data or filtering the data to maintaining usability of the common information to all. Like a phone number you are going to taking as a string, which is called 10-digit number, if assume that. For all the person it can be applicable is a numeric digit and 10-digit number. If you simply applying regular expression to this particular variable, automatically the program it will taken care all the aspects what you require to handle. These all the information in advanced Python modules are available in this session. Watch it.
Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you built-in modules, random values module we are going to discuss especially. There is a huge library modules are available in Python, standardization libraries. We can straight away import that libraries and utilize and use the freely in Python language, like email sending module, like package, and generating of the random values and sending email templates, SMS packages. These are the things are available in Python by default, but we need to search for it and we can have which one which will be suits for us. For the packages, you can search easily, go to Google, Python 3 module index. Just simply type Python 3 module index over there, and you will get the information of all the packages and modules over there, and you will have an information. Like I will show you, this keyword is Python 3 module index. Just type this keyword and you will find all the modules which are available, freely available in Python. There you can understand it, and which is the real utilization and usage of with your help of usage of you, and you can use it. And moreover, you can expand over there in the environment of like a local requirement of the library. There is an external libraries is there, expand Python 3.8 plus and Python 8 library under the root lib here. You can find the modules and the available versions which are the Python language suits to you. All right. For this, in this session, we are going to tell you how to module will be important. See here, import random module. The random module we can utilize. What are the functions we should know simply? For an instance, for I in range method I am using, which is the method is available in random module. That range function I am sending 3 is my value, and print what it will becomes. Range like a random dot random of method. That's it. Here for loop we have to mention this colon and run this. See, these are the values, range of the numerical values are displaying here. If you rerun this, some different other values will come. Randomizing the number. Simple way. And for an instance, you can randomize the number by using randit. Using the randint. Yep. And int, you can specify the range between 10, 20. Within this, the 3 numbers only required. The range of the 10, 20 between 3 numbers. See, it will give. So 20, 16, 18. Within the range of 10, 20, it will give you the 3 numbers. Ready-made random module, you should know what are the functions are available to utilize to run the utilize the particular module. Similarly, you can use to randomize the some choices of list items. Shall we have an example with the list items? Like just a second, it's importing here, and I'm preparing for a list of items called members. Then a list item here with the double quotes, list, double quotes, single, quotes, hero, something let us crash and add. After taking that, this is the list items I have there, and I want to randomize these numbers. Simply, we have a method called random is just I can say that equal to random dot random dot choice, guest of the choice, who is for our member like members. You can select it and enter, then it will be automatically selects. Print, it will choose the who is your by default guest. Simply execute it. Random choice is a method we are using from out of the list, and a guest, the hero is coming here. Who is the hero? He is the guest, and once again it will be choices in a bat. It's a, once again choice is a crash. Once again, and like a hero. Likewise, we can randomly we can identify what we require. Okay. Likewise, this you have to prepare for this much numbers as you require. In the next session, we will see how to use a date time in Python language, which is the built-in function. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discussing about date time in Python. It's a using of the date time is a very pretty much easy, and this is the date time is a built-in. This is the date time is a built-in method and a built-in functions which is available in the module in Python language. Now we will see what are the options. So simply we can see the date time. For this usage of the date time, similarly random, we need to import the package. Date time. That's it. We are involved in that module. We are importing here. And now, if I want to get the current date time here, simply I am declaring that a today variable here and date dot importing date time. Just a second. I want to elaborate this method to from also I can mention here import date from I have to mention here date also I need to mention if I want to date so it is from date time package import date. Now straight away I can take the date here. Now see here, today, date dot today. That's it. I can get the date now. Print today. Yes, we'll see. We will see now. Here is the date of today's date, 16th of 2020. As much pretty easy to use that particular ready-made module, the built-in module which is available in Python language. Now, and also expand this with the information of today, and you can simply say that today.year, today.month, today.day also we can use it. How it would be, I will see. I will show you. Print of double quotes, like a current year. You can specify here, and space, beautification of the typing here, and day dot year 18. That's it. If you run this, you will get an information of the current year is 2020, right? Likewise, print of current month. Yes, today dot today dot month you can choose. Now run this. Month it's showing this 3, and similarly the day also you can check it by passing the parameter of current day, right? Current day comma day dot day. That's it. 1 days you will get in a 16th and year, month, day. As much pretty easy. The date format and many of the options and functions, ready-made functions are available in Python language. Once you go through the datetime methods and the functionalities, you can get all the information with this. Simply date today dot, you will have all the information over here. These many functions, right? You'll use it and have a good exercise. Hope you understand. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use built-in method like timing your code of execution in Python. It's simply pretty much easy to understand how your written code is performing while on execution. Python programs and Python is providing a timeit, T-I-M-E. See here, timeit. This is a keyword. If we are importing this method, we can use to how we written code of the execution performance. We can simply know with the small snippets. It can be called either command way, like using command prompt terminal, or it can be importing like a PyCharm IDE to that particular module and performing the code by using the editors of IDE editors. A small example program I have introducing here to specifying a range function. With the range function I am executing with the calculation of with the percentile I am taking as a 0.7 percentile. How much it is percentile it's showing. That is my simple program, and that simple program I am executing 1 lakh times. See how? Then I can able to know my performance, written performance of my piece of code execution. See here, simply import the timeit method here, and the defining, that is my function is underscore function which is called alternative. Now here I have written simple things. I have taken 3.1415 some number I have taken here, and I'm iterating with the loop equal to x range of how many times it should be in the range, within the range of 100. The range I am making is a for loop function. And now here y that equal to y to the power of what is this? The percentile, I have to check it, it's not 0.7. That's it. And here I want to return my y value. Written by as much as pretty simple. Now this is the method, the functionality with a range of 100 times of the range. This is the y value with the percentile to be checked with the 0.7. Now here I would like to see what is my performance of my written lines in the small chunks of code, how it is going to be performing in 1 lakh times if I want to execute the same code. Now see here, timeit dot time of my function, timeit dot, again it's a selection of timeit. Within this you have to send your method, which one you are going to verifying your functionality, and you have to strictly send the number how many times it should be executed. Like I'm giving 1 lakh times I need to execute this one. Now here I'm importing timeit method to use this function. If you press one more enter, it will be treated as yes it is. Now see here a small function for execution to have an 0.7 within the range of this value, and now I'm forwarding the timeit function with these two parameters. This is the method to be executed. How many number of times? It's a 1 lakh times. This many numbers. Now execute and check this. Just a second. It's a throwing valuable statement, neither string or callable value. It's showing that it's a curly braces are not required. And execute the program. It will take the seconds, and it will be calculated you by the seconds. The written output it will come, and once it is skimmed output, I will explain you how it is skimmed. Now see 9.67 9 seconds 67 milliseconds it's taken for the execution of this particular space of code with the 1 lakh number of times. You can increase more and more. Now see, timeit function will return the code as a set number of times if the code is example 1 lakh times, and the report how long it is taken to run in seconds. The return which is given for as a value, it's in a seconds it's giving. So find out how long it is taken to run once the code is divided by result of that 1 lakh number what I have given divided by this result value. The repeat function it can be used to perform multiple times, and decide the default is 3 is required, and report of the each result, and it may differ. And if you are changed the y the percentile value here, and it may differ from the some short time. Likewise, you will verify by using timeit method, built-in method, to find out whether it is how your code is performing, and how your written code lines are performing and executing in real-time execution manner. That is a very much pretty easy. The built-in function you can utilize to have in a sessions to understanding about your code performance at your end, your way only. Thank you for watching this session. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discussing about you regular expressions in Python. It is in a sequence of characters that from the forms of the search patterns and finding patterns, different patterns are available in regular expressions. Is in a regex, we can call it as in a word, we can call it as an regex, we can call it as a regular expression. Use it to check string contains a specific search pattern is available or not. And sometime it's in a regex is a module, and Python has a built-in package, we can call it as a -re. It's a regular expression which can be used to work with the regular expression particular module details and all. And we will see having a session with this and how to import this regular expression module and work with this. Just simply start with this import -re to regular expression. We can use this re, just again re regular expression, and now simply a simple standardization word. First I will go to explain you, later we will see the more examples. See here, this country, the country is school. a simple keyword string I'm sending here, and X a variable I'm sending a pattern. Now see here, re dot search method if I used from the regular expression, and here the double quotes it is started, and the escape character, cap character we can call it as D, which is available or not, D dot, and star COOL, 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 cool. The keywords I am mentioning here, and the ending of the position of the dollar symbol here, and stop. Now we have to pass the what is the keyword of message we have written here, this one. Okay, and now see here, if I print X, if I print X, if the X pattern is matching, what I want to print is the string is matching. Simple word is yes, the string is matching. Else what it goes? Else part is not print. You can see that no matches. Now see, run this. Yes, the string starting beginning with what is the character is here beginning with this, and the cool we have a specified here with the ending dollar symbol ending with this, whether which where pattern search pattern this is we can call it as this search pattern from where it should be searched this thing. This is the string I'm passing with through this variable. I'm passing here, and I'm the completely the search pattern and variable I'm passing to that regular expression of search method. Ready-made functionalities and built-in functionalities all are, but we should know how to write a pattern. Once we know the pattern, how to write in a pattern and implementing the patterns, that is very much pretty easy to understand and write the regular expressions in Python. Now this is the X I am identifying. If X is the pattern is matching, yes, the string is matching. If X is not matching, it will be shows is a no match case is available. That much of pretty much easy in regular expression functions. And in addition to in regular expression, more offers. Basically, I will give you a four of regular usage purpose. Rest of the things, if in meaning if any available in update of the Python languages, you can refer the Python. Now see here, find all is an one function is available for returning list containing all matches, and the search another function which is the returns match case object. There is a match anywhere in the string. We have used anyhow here in a search method. If any match cases like this in the starting position and if this is the ending position, if it is available, it can be matched. Now we have written this matches the string. And one more thing is a split is there is a function, and a subtract is in a function. Subtract, which is a function, will use for to replace if any match cases is available within the given string. All right. Now we will see is a find all method how to implement in this. The find all is in a very much pretty easy to replace with the search to find all. We can get what are the strings which is available in Python, this given string. Like the search we am replacing find all. That's it. And now what I want to find here, CO. I'm finding this CO as well as this CO is there. From where I'm finding from the message, right? And straight away I'm printing the X. Not required to identifying the case now. Print of X. That's it. See now execute. See CO is available here. It's list item. It's printing. CO. And if I place here is it available within the given the string? Execute. Yes, is available. That is pretty much easy. And also there is an information which is a not available keyword if you are given. And also you have to specify something like if anyone like no matches as a match case is there, and like that is the extension we have prepared in earlier function. No, like if condition implementation. That can also be possible to have an implementing and handling such errors if any. Now search is over and find all is over. Now we will see with the split, and re dot split you can specify here, re dot split, and split in the sense backslash s I am mentioning here, in the sense backslash s means there is a space I have to be implemented in the new line. Now see here, like a new keyword is an assume that the see the one v1 is one thing, one item, and country is another item, and is another item, and cool is another item. A common string I am splitting with the space by using this keyword backslash and s. By splitting with this using the space, I am splitting to different items. Which item if I want to match, that item I can use it. All right. Similarly, we have a substitute. If anything, if we want to substitute, like spaces is there here, no? Like we can use to sub. Can use here sub, like replacing which space is available over there with a digit of 0. We can using sub function the comma double quotes the 0 again comma from this string. Now see here, with these spaces will be filled with the 0 of using this is sub. Now see here 0 country 0 is 0, likewise anything you can give here, anything you can give, it can be replaced with that particular. Likewise, very simple functionality you can use to have an information about these programs and default methods, and you can use the default modules, built-in modules to use to develop a Python web applications. Try to practice more and more patterns. I'll give you a notebook completely with the patterns which are match cases are available, case letters in the tutorial here. Practice it.
I hope you enjoyed this session. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment if any you require in Django framework. For more details, watch the description. Thank you.